Hi everyone, in front of me I've got FAIRPHONE 5 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the display. Now let's scroll down and find the night light. Of course, you can turn this option on without the customization just by tapping on the switcher, and you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is of course in order to filter the blue light. You can customize it, simply enter the night light. We've got this intensity switcher. By going to the left you can make it cooler, and by going to the right, warmer. You can schedule that option, you can turn it on at custom time, so you can freely choose the start and the end time. And of course your device will apply the mode accordingly, or you can turn it on from sunset to sunrise, and basically your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is location based. So this is the customization of this mode, and if you want to, you can have much faster access to it. Simply unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully, and now we have to find the proper icon, night light, which is right here. So let's simply tap on it to turn it on, and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.